Hi, welcome to my channel, V Hill Education. Now in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the resources I use at home with my kids to keep them on track with their education. Now this website, Kindergarten Worksheets, is great if you have preschoolers or kindergartners at your home. They're free printable worksheets that covers all the subjects, from math to English worksheets to learning about our world, and kindergarten holiday worksheets. Under math, you can see they have addition, subtraction, counting, shapes, numbers, patterns. And under English, they have reading, alphabet, writing, sight words, spelling, and learning about our world. They have my daughter's favorite subject, science, Spanish, social studies, health, dinosaurs. And they also have under kindergarten holiday worksheets or Easter, Christmas, Valentine's Day, Thanksgiving, Halloween, the 4 seasons, winter, spring, summer, and fall. So this is a great website if you have preschoolers or kindergartens at home, and it's free. All you need is a printer. I use this website quite often. I've also seen the worksheets in my daughter's backpack, so teachers are using it. Another website you can use if you have kids older that are in maybe grades 1st through 5th is worksheetfun.com. This website right here that you're looking at, they cover grades 1st through 5th. It's free as well. I've used it quite often as well. And all you need is a printer and access to a computer. It's great if you're homeschooling your kids. And I really like this website. Another website I use when it comes to name writing is Create Printables. This is the website. It's a great website. I've used it for my daughter when it came to writing her name. She's actually expanded on this website to cover different subjects, and it's as well free. And all you need is a printer or access to a computer. And I love this, not just because it helps her practice her name writing, but you can also do sight words, alphabets. She also has different coloring worksheets that go with your name, and she has the days of the week where you can print. It's she's really expanded her website, which I love, and that it's free. Now, I know this video is short, but I just want to share just a few of the educational resources I use at home with my children because I get asked, and I thought it would be, instead of just telling, I thought it would be easier just to share. And once again, these are all free websites, and who doesn't love free? So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my educational resource videos, subscribe. Once again, thank you for watching V Hill Education, and I hope you enjoyed this little video.